I think we pretty clear on what CBN is. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions kind of about yourself?
Sure, yeah.
All right. Well, I think it's interesting kind of specializing in medical marijuana, especially in kind of the general field. How did you figure out that's what you wanted to do? You wanted to focus on using medical marijuana as opposed to more traditional means of care for your patients.
Well, I think I used marijuana recreationally in high school, like many high schoolers, but I already wanted to be a doctor at that point. So I definitely remember at one point swearing to my parents when they got on to me about, certain things that you just wait, I'm going to prescribe this one day. And I've always been interested in psychoactive drugs, medications, hallucinogenics, psychedelics, all things like that. And so I was reading from really a young age about the potential medical benefits of marijuana. And again, knowing that I want to be a physician, I'd always had in the side or the back of my mind, how can I incorporate this into a practice one day? And me going through training in dermatology, I haven't finished my residency in dermatology yet, but that's going to be my specialty.
Mm.
It's not exactly something I can really shoehorn medical marijuana into very easily. I did a fellowship in cutaneous oncology, and I had some patients who came up to me asking for information about medical marijuana. And at that point in Ohio, I just had really no idea that I could have been certified to recommend at that point. And so I went online and I realized, oh my gosh, this sort of fantasy that I had in high school is actually a legit opportunity now.
Mm.
So I'd done all this research before anyway. And so I went ahead and got certified to recommend um, and started a business basically with educating patients
Okay.
and teaching them about how to address specific symptoms and not just, going to the dispensary and getting whatever the bud tender says smells like gas.
Yeah, it's high, man. It's to like 30%.
Yeah, it tastes really good, man.
Yeah. Pineapple, dude.
Yep.
Um,